What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to access binance.com if you are in US. So for example, if you need to log in for some reason to binance.com, you go to binance.com website and then you're presented with this message that Binance is unable to provide service to US users, and basically it redirects you to binance.us. And let's say you still have to access binance.com because you have maybe cryptocurrency there, or maybe some of the airdrops like Flare Finance or XFi or any other airdrop was made and it's in your binance.com exchange and you just cannot access it. So if you go either press on go to binance.com, or if you press on cancel, and then if you go to log in, and let me log in, let me show you what's going to happen. And then you press on log in, then we'll have to do security verification. And that's it. We're logging in, but service suspended for restricted countries. So here's what we need to do. We need to download and install some kind of VPN client, so that way we can redirect our traffic through other country that still can use binance.com. For this video tutorial, I'm going to be using Vinscribe VPN, and I think they have a free version with limited countries and limited amount of traffic, but maybe that's all you're going to need. So don't go and purchase. See if you can find one for free. So there's Vinscribe, there's Proton VPN, and then there's TunnelBear. So maybe try one of those, but if you really wanted to buy one and have one to use on daily basis, you can. But I'm not recommending any of them. I'm just showing you that I found just recently. I don't use any of them. I only use Vinscribe. So let's go back to binance.com. Here's my Vinscribe. Right now, this is my IP address. And then right here, we're going to see option where we would like to connect. So for this video tutorial, I'm going to drop this down. I'm just going to leave it at the Canada, Toronto comfort zone. I don't even know what that is, but it's just some kind of one of their servers. You can try any other locations except the US. And then when you press on it, it's going to start connecting automatically. And if it's not, you'll just have to press on this little button here. Also, VPN could be either program or it could be browser extension. Okay, once I'm connected, I'm going to minimize this screen. So now let's try one more time. Binance.com and then enter, and that's it. Now we're not getting this message. Let's try to log in real quick. We have to verify security again. Now we'll get security verification to our phone. And that's it. When it's verified, it takes us to Binance website. And now here we can do whatever we need to do. We can access trade, or we can access our wallets, profile, or anything we need to do. Keep in mind though, if you're going to keep using Binance.com, if later on in the future they'll require you to do KYC, then most likely VPN is not going to help you in the future. But at this time, with VPN, you can still access and use Binance.com. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.